Hello, first graders. Today we are going to take a look at your words to know or your sight words that for this week that we're going to practice all week long. Our target skill for today is I can read and spell first grade sight words. So let's take a look at our sight words. So, your words to know or your sight words for this week are he, look, have, for, to, what. Let's take a closer look at these words. Your first word is he. He walked across the street with his friends. Do you spot a he in this picture, boys and girls? There is a boy in a blue shirt and a boy in a red shirt. It could be talking about either one of those boys because it is a he they are talking about. All right, number 2, look. Do this with your hands, boys and girls. Look. Children look at water from the fire hose. Look. Number 3, have. We have fun seeing the fast fire truck. Have. Number 4, for. The doctor had a kind smile for Anne. For. Number 5, to. They took hats and the sunblock too. This word to means as well. So it means also, in addition to, as well, or also. So they took hats to the beach and they took sunblock too. Number 6, what? Do this with your hands. What? What do people do to help you feel safe? What? All right, boys and girls, those are your words to know this week. As you read our story for this week and other books, see if you can find these words to know. Now it is your job to do your words to know or sight word interactive notebook practice. Have fun, first graders.